In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends game not opening. So first thing you can try is to exit the game completely. So you can try by going to Task Manager, and if you see Riot Client, simply exit it. So you can do this by just right clicking and then clicking End Task. Make sure there's no League of Legends game running here and no Riot client. So if you find one, just end the task, and you can search for it if you want to find it quicker. And then go to details and do the same thing. Make sure there's no Riot client or League of Legends running. You can just end process tree if you see one. And then you can close this down and try to reopen the game and see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues, then go here and type Riot Client and then right click Open File Location. Then right click Open File Location again. Then go to the Riot Client.exe and then right click and then go to Properties, Compatibility, Enable, Disable. You wanna check the Disable Full Screen Optimization and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK, and see if this fixes the issue. So after you do this, you can close this down and make sure your game here, Riot Client, on your desktop also has the same settings. So just right click Compatibility, Disable Full Screen Optimization, and run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK. So once you do this, you can try and see, and this should fix your issue.